This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can perform the remote controller calibration on this drone. So first, launch the camera view of the FIMI Navi Mini app, then open settings by tapping at this cog icon. Here select the third icon from the top that looks like I have no idea what it looks like. It actually looks like the remote controller icon. So anyway, just choose this icon here, open this category of settings, and at the very top you'll find the RC calibration option. So press it, press the calibrate button, and we can begin calibrating. So first, as you can see from this instruction, we need to switch off the drone. So take your drone, press this button once, then press it the second time and hold it until the drone is powered off. So now we can actually start the calibration. So let's begin by calibrating the sticks here. So just repeat after me. So you just need to put this stick into top, left, right, and bottom most positions. And the same goes identically, same procedure goes for the right stick as well. So I guess the order doesn't matter here. Yep, it doesn't. So both sticks were calibrated. Now all that is left to do is to calibrate this little scrolling wheel. So move it all the way to the bottom or to the left, and do the same in the opposite direction as well. And as you can see, the drone calibration was performed, the RC calibration has been performed and finished successfully. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.